That's it. Yeah. So what's the question you ask? I don't know.
This position.
Yes.
This position. How to stabilize it? How to get into it?
Yeah. So very good question. So this position, most important for this type of steps to understand the idea of the counterbalance and where your shoulders should be. Of course, this is a forward walk, but starting from here, you have a hip twist. So what is the common mistake? That's exactly what you did. You're turning your shoulders away, and that's not a good strategy. So ideally, if you remember how we teach a hip twist, we teach in this airplane position, yes? So for example, I'm here and transfer my weight, and now I want a hip twist there. So ideally, I stay with my shoulders here. Let's say if I want to go really sharp there, I will have to really work hard to resist, especially with my left arm here. Boom, then I step. Resist, hip twist, step, hip twist, step, hip twist. So here, when you get here, so this is your position should be. Then you will feel, it feels a little bit uncomfortable because you have to counterbalance yourself. But actually it will work better for you on the way out because you see here, it's very easy to turn. So the answer to the question is to keep your shoulders this way, because that's why this doesn't feel stable enough, balanced, because it's not counterbalanced. So this way to stand. That will be the best way to do it. So try. So shoulder position, counterbalance. Tiki, tiki, warm. Yes. And interestingly enough, you can still look other way. You can still look there or there, but it's your hips turning away from your partner, not shoulders. So your upper body stays with him forever. Yes, only hips. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. And also a little bit your side steps. I want to fix your side steps. Your forward walks are great. Your side steps are not good. So stop. Yeah. So from here, your side step, there is something about your side step which you need to a little bit study. And it looks a little bit that you are way too big. So, or try to understand what the step is not, I'm just simply stepping there. So you want to have a little bit rotation of your thigh, rotation of your foot, rotation of your body, and kind of like step more under you. You see how you kind of opening your leg this way, and they have to be more towards inside. Yeah, so from here, somehow there. So more compact, more turned out, very good, already better. More this way. You see, it looks more pretty, tighter, and it's more this way rather than you have this kind of position. Okay?
Yes.
Dance with